Hey there, welcome to the new world of AI. In this video, we will be looking at CHAT GPT as possibly the next best investment option for investors and yourself moving forward. Let's get into how it may be the best investment for now. Some of the most well-known investment funds in the United Kingdom have underperformed in a basket of equities chosen by CHAT GPT, an AI-powered chatbot. According to a report carried out between March 6th and April 28th, a dummy portfolio of 38 stocks earned 4.9%, while 10 prominent investment funds logged an average loss of 0.8%. It wouldn't be long until large numbers of consumers try to use ChatGPT for financial gain. Finder's CEO John Ostler predicted in a statement earlier this week. The S&P 500 index, which represents the 500 largest corporations in the United States, increased by 3% over the same time period. The corresponding index in Europe, so the Stoxx Europe 600, rose by 0.5% over that time. Analysts at Finder used the top 10 UK funds on trading platform Interactive Investor to measure how well the ChatGPT-created fund performed. Some of the chosen funds are managed by HSBC and Fidelity. The analysts tasked ChatGPT with selecting stocks using a set of widely accepted criteria, such as prior growth and a low debt load. Among the chosen businesses are Microsoft, MSFT, Netflix, NFLX, and Walmart, WMT. ChatGPT's portfolio includes well-known companies including Microsoft, a significant investor in its developer OpenAI, for those keeping score at home, Netflix, and Walmart. It won't be long until large numbers of consumers try to use ChatGPT for financial gain. Finder's CEO John Ostler was reported as saying by CNN. Last month, finance professor Alejandro Lopez Lira from the University of Florida published an unreviewed paper in which he claimed that ChatGPT could predict the stock values of individual firms by analyzing financial headlines. But if these methods are effective, Lopez Lira told CNBC at the time, and everyone starts using them, the benefits will dwindle dramatically as the market adapts. He predicted that by the end of the 5th year of running the simulation, there will be zero return predictability. If Finder invested in ChatGPT stocks, he or she would probably lose money. In any case, if all traders use the same algorithms, market predictability would suffer. And until then, unless you have an exceptionally high risk tolerance, you should probably avoid using ChatGPT to make financial decisions. Another possible limitation is privacy. There is no consensus on issues of privacy, ethics, or security. More thought and deliberation is required before use cases and limits of AI can be established. Because of the current constraints, AI safety is crucial and prompt action is required. Not only do most opponents of AI worry that it would erode privacy, but they also raise ethical concerns about the technology. We believe that human intelligence is one of a kind and innate. Giving up that kind of exclusivity may seem illogical at first. The subject of whether or not robots should be granted human rights is a common one if they can perform all human activities. If true, please explain the rights of these mechanical beings. There are no clear solutions available at this time. Given the relatively recent birth of AI, the study of AI philosophy is in its infancy. According to a study of 2,000 consumers in the UK conducted by Finder last week, 8% have used ChatGPT for financial advice, and 19% are considering doing so. However, a sizable minority, 35%, indicated they definitely wouldn't use a chatbot to assist them in managing their finances. Now, looking at this may push that investment guru part of yours to ask if you can really invest in AI. Well, the answer is yes. I will also be helping by providing a list of companies you can invest in. Here are several companies who are currently at the forefront of the AI revolution and already employing AI softwares in their company's day-to-day operations. Number 1. Meta Platforms Inc. You've probably noticed how Meta employs AI in its Facebook news feeds and ad algorithms. That's not even close to the extent of Meta's AI research and development. The business is behind the Meta AI Lab, which made headlines recently for its efforts to utilize AI to decipher speech from brain activity in people with traumatic brain injuries. Although this study has not yet been submitted for peer review, it demonstrates Meta's dedication to advancing AI technology. It may seem as though Meta can read your mind at times, but if they could actually decipher your brain waves, it would be something else entirely. Number 2. Lemonade. When it comes to insurance, Lemonade is the only company to rely solely on AI. Maya, the company's AI assistant, will take care of everything for you. From getting a quote to filing a claim, The website provides evidence of AI's insurance-related efficacy. Insurance policies for homes, apartments, pets, lives, and vehicles are all available from this provider. By employing AI to manage claims, Lemonade has disrupted the insurance sector. You should not worry about being placed on hold if you need to file a claim for property insurance. Maya allows you to manage everything in the cloud. Number 3. Amazon. It's remarkable how pervasive AI technology is across Amazon's operations. Amazon's recommendation engine and product display are both AI-powered. Small robots are employed to transport parcels throughout the fulfillment center so that humans can focus on other tasks. The Just Walk Out payment method is also widely used at Amazon Fresh and Amazon Go locations. And as a result, AI is integrated into nearly every facet of the company, from ad targeting to the Amazon Web Services infrastructure. Many Americans' homes have Amazon's Alexa installed, and AWS cloud users have access to a wide variety of AI applications. Number 4. Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is a CRM platform built on the cloud that connects businesses with their customers through the use of mobile and web apps. The company also provides sales, marketing, and service data based on AI to businesses of all sizes and in all sectors. The program, hosted on the cloud, allows businesses to monitor sales, expenses, and customer statistics. The customer success platform officially employs the artificial intelligence technology known as Salesforce Einstein. We appreciate you watching, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you learned something you didn't know. See you next time!